Alright, so we're about 6:30 in the morning. We're going to try to get this varoa mite treatment done. So, while everybody's still waking up. So, hopefully all of the things work with me. I'm going to try to get these girls back inside. Alright, now we get this contraption. Into the hive. Now, with any luck, we start applying current to our device. Alright, so should do 3 minutes. So it is 6:43. We're going to watch for signs of oxalic acid vaporization. So what we're trying to do is vaporize the oxalic acid powder that was in this thing so that it fills the entire hive. And this oxalic acid is vapor. The crystals, they kill the varoa mite, which is found on the honeybees, which transfers disease and kill the hive. So it transfers a virus. I've seen some of the drones, some of the girls with deformed wing virus. So signs of the virus, which usually tells you that there are mites, and it hasn't been treated yet this season. So yeah, we're just trying to get this going and treat. Grab this because I'm not sure about this device. See if we can tempt the there's my laser. There it is. All I'm hoping for is to see good. I can see oxalic acid vapors coming out between the box. I'm going to stay upwind. So at this point we should be filling with vapor. definitely a big deal. It's treating the brood area. Nice one, but you can definitely see the vapor in the back in the brood chamber area. Not really seeing anything out the top, but that's okay. I'm assuming that the vapor is spilling, and I'm going to leave this until I really don't see the vapor. Alright, so we're back. I think we're going to get a little bit of smoke. Alright, everybody chill. Sadly, so many at the bottom of the box. Alright, so they're trying to all fan, which is good. It means the vapors are in there and they want trying to get it out. So they're going to be happy though. We got our kick for them. Come on, girls. Look out. Hey. Hey. Look out. Come on. It's a good treat. You guys are going to like that one. Tell you. Trying to keep them from getting crushed. Alright, so it's been the dearth, trying to feed. We just treated. Let's see if my shade still works with the... Aha! It does! Alright. Happy about that. That the feeder fits under the new porch. So, alright guys, well, hopefully success. Can't really tell until we check out mites, but we treated, did what we needed to do, and survived to beekeep another day.